Yo, good morning. We're on the boat. Let's try some jigging. Oh,
I don't know. If the lady looks, you will catch. Yeah, you look Chinese, you can try that. But this running is like I catch somebody. Excuse me, I catch somebody. Take it out. Hold on. I thought I catch somebody, but I really did catch somebody. Sir, whose shot is that? Sir, let me go. Okay. Who's that? I catch somebody. So, give me one sinker. This? No, sinker. We need sinker. Come on. Where's the sinker? Right. The sinker. Check it out. Or one set. That's it. Stretch the hook. Right. You really stretch the hook.
Hey.
Oh man, ikat saipan.
Ikat saipan. Ikat saipan.
You got siki.
Ikat siki.
Who's that? One set. Go. Oh yeah, look like you catch two. I go yeah, we need to cut your line.
Already.
Oh, line ready come on. Like you. What like you catch double. Go. Ah, you catch. Yeah, release. Yeah, release. Oh, no, no. What did you fish last night? Just like a lot, like 6 or 8 fish. Yeah, now this is the highlight. They got the one and you put up, or yeah, put up the one.
Donate.
Once you feel, you put it. No. That burns all the way down, bro. This is not for that. Oh, boy, he's still here. Catch it up, roll it in fast. Oh, tuna. Oh, marlin. Yes, reeling it in. I go in between.
Uy. See? Fish on, fish on.
Video. No, he cannot wait.
Already, I cannot wait.
Tension that one.
There you go. Hey, ah! I got it.
I knew that. That was one now.
Nice. Chicken. Come on, when you finish this?
Ay. Oh, there. There.
Stay there.
Grab it.
We don't have the ano.
Yeah, we don't have that. I got that one very stiff. Okay, doesn't say how many feet, but it's just a jump.
That's a dog too.
What's that one?
White tuna.
White tuna, but just too small.
Hey, that's good.
Nice one. There's a shark bite.
Shark. Only ka na kawawa, gerong
Fish on.
Freezer ka.
Gotta wake up, man.
Oy, double. Ini-strike.
Bigay sila mo like a mango. Project na skip jack.
Winning na ba?
Ay. Yeah. Only strike. Oy, nice na nakito.
Hold the leg.
Hey,
Come on. Up.
Nice.
Almost come out.
Good. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Babush!